Hi, I'm Maury Kennedy. I'm an independent distributor with Trinity Communications and currently a Gold family member. This video addresses how one manages the personal customer account, whether you're a family member or just a customer using one of Trinity's many services. We'll look at how to access the account and then how to navigate it to reach other parts of the system. It really is the hub of the post-sale service. Specifically, we'll continue on to look at the service and support system and then the ticketing process. Now, for context, we'll build off another instructional video where we actually entered an order for a Nucleus URSA device. We stopped at that one at the point of order verification, so we'll just continue on from there. Now, the previous video is in the thumbnail below. It's the order instruction for HDTV. So go find that one and walk through the front end of the process. To log in to the customer management system, follow the link of trinitycom.com family customer. This will access a personal data repository for each and every Trinity customer. Now, this page is the launching point. The email address and the password were created during your account registration. But if you're like me, it's on a little slip of paper somewhere. But we have a convenient link that will help you and get you into the center of the personal homepage. Again, this is the hub of the customer management system. We'll keep the same example of our earlier video with Petunia Pig. Now, we'll look at each part of the CMS in some detail. This is just the big picture. Now, first of all, note that the customer is linked to a Trinity rep on the upper left-hand corner who can be contacted for additional help or guidance in this process. The highlighted areas reveal complete credentials of contact information, shipping and billing address, and the credit card detail. All of this is updatable, and we'll take a look at that in just a minute. But first of all, we want to examine the two tabs at the bottom. That's what's relevant at the moment. First of all, the services that have been purchased, and then the orders. And then we'll come back to the other features, so just be patient. Now, on the services tab, the first order is the one we entered the other day for the Nucleus Celestial HDTV package. The status here is shown as pending since it has not yet shipped, but when it does, the status would be updated to complete. Action required is none. This is really a simple order. Now, the second service is one I slipped in just as another example. This one is for a second add a TV line. Again, this status is shown as pending, and all the other items are really the same. The next tab addresses the orders. The first order is summarized here. The order detail can be opened just by clicking on the CMS order ID for a duplicate PO, which also is printable. We show the date of the order, the total expenditure. The status is updated as it moves through the system. It's currently shown as pre-processing, which is receipt of the order. It also goes to payment processing and then awaiting shipment. Once it does ship, tracking information will be provided. And again, I grabbed this screenshot before I entered the second order, but it would be shown just below this one, and we'd walk through the same information. So those are the bottom two tabs. So we're coming back to the main page, and let's look at some other options from this home page. The control panel on the left-hand column connects to a number of actionable items. There's just a wealth of information and an action that's available here. You can update your profile, update credit card, change your picture. The resources tab links you to all Triniti services and products. It's also possible to access customer service through the service and support tab, and we'll take a look at that in just a second. But continuing on, reporting displays complete payment information. At the bottom is order history, which we just looked at, and then the right hand column links to all the order forms for all the other Triniti services and products. Just find the icon that you wish and click on the desired action. Now, one specific area that we want to review is how to communicate directly with Triniti. While this really is a self-serve page, instances do arise when you need to contact customer service. When you do, go to the control panel, click on Service and Support. That'll open up a link to the Service and Support Center, which will take you to the home page. This really is a table of contents for the entire knowledge base. It's a library of information that's available with just the click of a mouse. We've got popular knowledge base articles within the last 90 days. We have the newest knowledge base articles, and please refer to these before you do contact customer service, just for expediency and not to bother the folks back at the office. So this accesses the library and the ticketing system. You have to first register, so let's kind of do that first of all. Again, it's a simple stuff. Just enter your name, contact information, login credentials, and once you're happy with that, enter the secret code and just submit. Upon subsequent visits, you'll log in the upper right hand corner. It recognizes your credentials, and if you wish to submit a service ticket, just refer to the control panel on the left hand side. Well, let's do that. Just click on that tab. We'll submit a ticket. We'll direct it to the department of interest, and then click on next. This is essentially the email message where you can detail the issue, include attachments if it's appropriate. And here, since Petunia is a customer, no rep code is required for identification. Again, enter the secret code and submit it, and this will take you to a confirmation. We'll assign a reference number, and simultaneously a confirming email will be sent to your email account. So that's really it. So thanks for your participation of our review of the customer management system and the service and support center. We looked at today how to access the CMS from our link triniticom.com family/customer with our email address, a password. We reviewed order and service history and identified the links to different information and actionable items. And then we opened the support center. It again is the Triniti Library of Congress for our knowledge base. We registered and then even submitted a support ticket. So thanks for your attention today. I hope this provided a roadmap so you could work your way through the CMS and go from there. Again, I'm Rory Kennedy. If you need any assistance, please contact me or any Triniti representative. Thank you again for your time. Take care.